How to create a poll in group on Instagram. You open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Navigate to the group chat where you want to create the poll. You can do this by tapping on the paper airplane icon at the top right corner of the home screen and selecting the group chat from the list. Tap on the next text field at the bottom of the chat window to compose a new message. Write the question you want to ask in a poll, for example, which movie should we watch this weekend? After writing the question, list the options for group members to choose from. For example, 1. Avengers, 2. Black Panther, etc. Encourage group members to participate by voting for their preferred option. You can add a message such as, please vote for your favorite movie. As group members respond to the poll, you can monitor the responses in the chat. You may manually tally the votes or use the message reactions like thumbs ups as votes. Once you've collected enough responses, you can analyze the results based on the votes received for each option. Based on the poll results, you can follow up with the group to make decisions or take further actions such as planning an event or making a choice based on the majority's vote. Now thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.